Welcome back to Amatip IT. Today, we will continue our journey into CSS. In our previous lesson, we covered the basics of CSS selectors and properties. In this video, we will delve deeper into more advanced CSS techniques and concepts. First, let's discuss CSS classes and IDs, which allow us to target specific elements on a web page. Using classes and IDs, we can style elements individually or in groups. Next, we will explore the power of CSS box model and how to control the layout of elements. Understanding the box model is crucial for creating well-structured and visually appealing web pages. We will also dive into CSS pseudo-classes, like hover and active, which add interactivity to our designs. These pseudo-classes apply styles when certain events occur, enhancing user experience. Furthermore, we will learn about media queries, which enable responsive web design for different devices and screen sizes. Media queries let our web page adapt to various conditions and provide a seamless experience across devices. Next on the list is CSS animations and transitions, where we can bring our web page to life with moving elements. We will explore keyframes, easing, and other animation techniques to create visually engaging content. Additionally, we'll cover how to use CSS frameworks like Bootstrap, which provide pre-styled components for quick development. Using frameworks can significantly speed up website creation and ensure a consistent look and feel. Finally, we will touch on CSS preprocessors like Sass and Less, which enhance the capabilities of CSS. Preprocessors offer additional functionality like variables, nesting, and modularization to simplify our style sheets. That wraps up our overview of the advanced CSS topics we'll be covering in this series. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials on each topic in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.